Hi guys. So lately I had a meeting with some partners here in Cesena, and it was a kind of workshop that I organized with an association of software companies here, local software companies, and the focus was how to use AI. I know this is a topic controversial, but I want to put the focus in. I put the focus for this meeting, for this work group, in a specific way. I know that there is a big anxiety about what we miss not using it or not using it very well. So every one of us are searching the best way to use it, and but there is anyway a feeling that something is missing or a bad feeling um, about that the a wrong usage or losing something that other could work better using it better. But this is not the point. At in that workshop and in my mind, the AI is another tool that has to be useful, but in our process, in our work, not just something that we have to use. So I said to them that it's important to focus on the real problems and why we are here. You will say probably it's easy for a private company. We solve issue of our customer taking money, and for our institution, cultural institution is pretty different. There are more ethic stuff, community involvement, and let's say other missions, other kind of mission. But at the same time, the most important things is give value to our target client, in my case, or visitor, or people in your case, audience in your case. So I think that had to be the the uh, the polar star and had to be the most important thing that having using AI you have to keep in mind. You don't have to be more productive in general. More production. It's useful if you give more value to your customer, not just to product and that's it. So what I'm thinking about is, and what I'm saying these days is it really important to use AI to solve internal issue, to solve customer issue, to give more value to customers. But that's it, because if this with the AI won't be achieved, actually AI is not useful at all in your case. So what I'm saying is that you have to use these tools just if let you work better and solve problem that you already have or you already know, uh, problems that you will have in the future if you don't solve it. So before of everything, find your problems and then try to use this new tool to solve them. Another thing is how to use it. I think that you have to use AI not just only as another software, but as a new team member. New team members. Think about you have the ability to introduce in your organization new team members very quick and with a lot of skills. There is a problem about an organization that when a new member enter inside an organization, you have to let it enter in an organic way, and he have to speak with other people, and this is really important because it's not easy to let a new member enter in a already created stuff. This is something that you can experience in general with other new member. So people have to accept the presence of this new member and started to collaborate with him or with her. So the most important thing is that these AI know your process and will be accepted from your members. And this is not easy, I know, but only if it's introduced in an organization way, in a complete structural way, could be adopted in a good way. To do this, I think that it's important that you introduce it and after letting know the process, try that everyone in a specific way, maybe understanding better what is the pro, starting to work with it, and in this process I really think that could be useful to let every member focus on his specific work and give to him something that is not so high value work, because it's really important that the humans continue to do things where they really are important. So a kind of delegation. And in another video I spoke about eliminate automate and delegate task. This is I think that AI could help you on automate and delegate, and in this usage I guess that could be useful as a curator. Don't have to spend time on translating stuff, but spend time to understand better the audience, the visitor, and try to enter in empathy with them to create a better experience. So try to be, every human people has to be more strategic and try to delegate to the AI the repetitive stuff with low value. But at the end of this, I think that is the most important things, that he has to be useful to solve no issue as something that you cannot delegate until now, and give more time to the work where you are strategic, where every member of your organization is strategic, and because otherwise I really think that it's not useful at all. So don't use it just to be more productive, but use it to have a real value on your work and your organization work altogether. Okay, so thank you very much and catch you next time. Bye.